Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to add a subscribe button into your videos, or what some people call subscribe animation. Yes, this is very important. I 100% recommend this because it helped me to get more subscribers, and I realized a very big difference before and after when I began using it. Okay, so if you know that your focus is on getting more subscribers, please watch this video. It doesn't matter which kind of content you make. Let it be skits, let it be head talk, or any kind of content you make, healthy videos or anything. Please begin using this in your videos because it is very important. Before we go far, as usual, I always give random shout outs to my subscribers. So shout out to iChef and Nizo Entertainment TV. If you want to get a shout out in my next video, please subscribe to my channel, leave a comment so that we can get a shout out in my next video. All right, let's go through the tutorial. All right, so the first step you do, you come to Google and search for Pixels. All right, so this is the website. You literally tap here and come to the website. After you tap on the search bar and type in YouTube subscribe button, okay, and then you search it. Now when you come to this screen, you literally tap on the word video so that they can actually show up. There are a lot of subscribe buttons here, but to choose you have to know which kind of content you make. Okay, so for example, this particular subscribe button right here, let me show it to you. This subscribe button right here, this is a kind of subscribe button for gamers. If you know that you do game videos, this is a subscribe button that I can literally recommend for you. Okay, there are a lot more subscribe buttons here. For me, I literally like this because it actually matches my content, the kind of content that I do. Okay, all right, now after getting the kind of subscribe button that is suitable for you, you tap on the word free download and it will literally begin downloading. And as you see, it has downloaded. Okay, now after that, you come to your CapCut app or any editing software that you use, and then you tap on the video that you want to add this subscribe button. I'm going to use this video as an example. Okay, so the first step you do, the first thing to do here, you tap on overlay and tap on add overlay right here, and then you import the button that we just downloaded from Pixels. Okay, so you have to make sure you actually tap on the word HD so that your video be of a good quality. Okay, so let's add this, and now as you see, we have added it, and the overlay right here, you see that the entire video is green and you can't see my video right here, but I'm going to show you how to remove this green color and remain with only the subscribe button. Okay, so here you come on remove background right here, and now since auto removal is a pro feature and I've not purchased for pro features, I'm going to use chroma key. Okay, so right here, as you see, you just tap on green color here, right here, and then you'll see that the color, the green color is out. And now after that, you increase on the intensity. Okay, all right, you at least make it 50 right there, and then you tap on save. And now as you can see, we have remained with only the subscribe button. After this, what you do, you just resize it. You just highlight this and then you resize it. You put it whenever you want it to be. Okay, you just put it everywhere you want it to be. And if you want to change colors, for example, you want to make it more colored, you just come around and edit the colors as you always do with your videos. Okay, for example, let me show you something simple here. So if you want to make that button look so red, you just add it up there. And now I'm going to turn up the volume so that you can see the entire video and see how beautiful this looks like. I've realized a lot of YouTubers, those that are monetized and the ones that are not monetized. I hope you can see that now this looks more professional. It can let your viewers that are not subscribed to your channel subscribe to your channel. Alright guys, if you found this helpful, please like this video and go use this in your videos. I 100% promise you that you're going to see a very big difference. Don't forget to come back and let us know if this actually worked for you, because when you observe your subscribers count, you realize that you're getting more subscribers than before you began using this. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.